Guys, so welcome to Miss B's online classroom. You probably haven't experienced this before, but this is where I take instruction and I put it online for you guys to view in Google Classroom. So today we're going to start again on fractions, and I know we've done fractions after fractions after fractions, but this time I'm solely going to assess you on if you can put it into this thing here, which is a calculator. So all you need to be able to do is put it into a calculator. So this should kind of look similar. Miss B's no artist, but she drew a bigger version of the calculator just because I know the buttons are a little small on here. So first of all, we know that when we add fractions like 1/3, or actually let me change my mind, 1/7 plus 2/7. When the denominators are the same, all we have to do is add the numerator, the top number, and keep the denominator the same. The tricky part would be is if I decided to change this number here. We can't say this is 3/12. That's absolutely wrong. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. So let's do the first problem I originally had put up on the board, and that was 1/7 plus 2/7. Let's check to see if Miss B's 3/7 is indeed the correct answer. So take your calculator, make sure it's on. You know it's on if it has the blinking sign. You're going to first push 1 right here, or 1, okay? Then, you're going to hit this backslash sign right here. This is the symbol we use that allows us to create a fraction. It's also right here. Oops. Okay, this backslash. And then I'm going to hit 7th, okay? Now, because I want to add the fractions, I'm going to hit the plus symbol. And then I'm going to repeat the process. I want 2. I come up here to my backslash. And then I want 7ths. Once I've entered it in, I hit equal. And as you see, I got 3/7. So Miss B was correct. Now, for the second problem Miss B posted, it was 1/7 plus 2/5. And I said that 3/12 was not the correct answer. So let's look and see what the correct answer is. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to hit 1 backslash and then 7. Okay? So 1 backslash 7. Now I want to add, so I'm going to hit the plus sign, which is right here. All right. And then I want to add 2/5. So I'm going to hit 2 backslash, then 5. Okay. 2 backslash 5. Now I'm ready to hit my enter or my equal sign down here. And when I do that, it gives me the fraction, 19/32. Now, this is the fraction in simplest form. I know this because 19 is a prime number. But I can check if I don't know by hitting this button here, which is the simplify, SIMP, okay? Right here. If I hit simplify, and then this will pop up. Then I hit my equal sign right afterwards. I get 19/35. Oh, I said 32. 35. So I know that's it. If it stays the same and doesn't change, then I know it's in simplest form. Let's try another example. All right. Let's say I wanted to add 2/5 plus 3/10. Okay. Now, let's put this in our calculator. You should be pretty good at this by now. So, 2 divided by 5, okay, plus all right, are 3 backslash 10 and then equals. Oh, would you look at that? 7/10. Is it in simplest form? Hit simplify, hit equal. It's the same. All right, let's see if Ms. B can find one that will not be in simplest form. All right, so how about 1/2 plus, let's go 2/4. Just kidding. Plus 1/4. All right, so let's put that into our calculator. 1 backslash 2, okay, plus 1 backslash 4. And then we hit the equal sign. Oh, 3/4. Again, this actually, if I hit simplify, is in simplest form. So Miss B is obviously not doing a great job at picking ones that are going to need to be simplified. So let's try one more. Let's go with 4/5 plus 6/10. All right, let's do that together. All right, again, we're going to hit our 4 backslash 5 plus, it's going to be 6 backslash 10. And we can hit equal then. All right. SpaghettiOs. This one is a double whammy. We get 1U4/10. All right. We get 1U4/10. Ms. B, what does that mean? Well, this U here means 1 and 4/10. So a better way of writing it would be 1 and 4/10. But the calculator can't write it like that. So we have to be patient with it. Oh, and 4/10. I'm sorry. 4/10. All right. So when I look at it, I have to see if it can be simplified, because even though it's a mixed number, sometimes they can be simplified. So I'm going to hit simplify, see if it changes, hit equals, and look, it did change, right? We got instead now 1 and 2/5. All right. So this is the same thing. They're equivalent. Now I might want to check one more time. I hit simplify, equals, equals, and it's 1 and 2/5, so I know I've simplified it. All right, that's all I want you guys to get for today. There is some practice videos or practice games you can play in Google Classroom after you've completed this video, which you have done. So go ahead and enjoy. Use your calculator to add the fractions.